I'm alone here. Tak ada sesiapa. So, saya pergi kubur, and then cerita, luahkan.
Nancy Endi knew something was wrong when her husband woke up with a fever one July morning.
Dia ingat dia kena hujan dan sakit kepala. Tapi firasat saya berkata lain. Ini ada yang salah. So, esok harinya saya bawa dia pergi ke klinik Sungai Rambai untuk cek. Dan ya, dia kena COVID, positif COVID.
Her husband, Hani bin Sha'ari, was soon quarantined in the hospital. A couple of weeks later, he was gone.
So, tidak ada say goodbye untuk terakhir kalinya, tidak ada. Last video call masa dekat ICU ada. Okay, tapi suami saya dalam keadaan tidak sedar. So, ketika saya menangis, dia tidak ada respon sama sekali. Dan saya tutup penjualan tu, saya solat 6:07 pagi, Dokter Farhana call menyatakan husband sudah tak ada. Dan ya, terus blank. Saya tak dapat pikir apa-apa.
Hani was a chief technician at STMicroelectronics facility in Muar. The French-Italian chip maker supplies to Apple, Tesla, and auto components companies like Continental AG. Nancy believes that her husband was infected at the plant. The health ministry confirmed the existence of a cluster linked to the facility on July 9th, 4 days before Hani tested positive for COVID. Politicians blame STMicro for the deaths of more than a dozen workers between June and July.
Suami saya dapat COVID daripada company, daripada STMicroelectronics. Sudah ada beberapa orang yang meninggal, tetapi company tidak tutup. Mereka mengatakan itu case sporadik.
The Delta variant was ravaging the country then. Most of Malaysia was locked down, but authorities granted exemptions to chip makers as it tried to balance the country's health and economic risks.
Where are we in the chip shortage now?
We're not out of it.
So it's really a demand storm.
Do we have a shortage? Yes, we do. We need more capacity in the industry.
The world was facing a microchip shortage, disrupting production of everything from iPhones and F-150 pickups to Nike sneakers. STMicro was facing extra pressure from politicians who grew alarmed that the shortages were shutting down factories. The Malaysia Semiconductor Industry Association argued that it had to do its part to address the crunch. Malaysia accounts for 13% of the world's chip testing and packaging. Nancy's family mourns for the loss of Hani.
Anak saya yang kecil sampai sekarang tanya, ayah mana, ayah mana. Setiap hari ajak saya pergi kubur. Setiap hari tanya, ayah, are you okay? Setiap hari dia peluk batu nisan, dia akan cerita macam-macam. Seolah-olah ayah dia ada dekat situ.
The couple met at the factory more than 20 years ago.
Paling saya suka tentang dia tu tak pernah marah.
During the pandemic, they set up a food bank near their local mosque to help those in need.
Okey, hasrat terakhir dia untuk food bank. Tak ada orang nak top up. Sedangkan dia tahu jiran-jiran masih tidak bekerja. Suami saya ada call saya, nanti ibu isi ya itu food bank. Ya, saya akan isi. Dan alhamdulillah sampai sekarang saya masih isi.
On the day that Hani died, the government ordered STMicro to shut for a week. The company has offered Nancy compensation of about $20,000, which includes 10 months of Hani's basic salary, a death allowance, and a life insurance payout. Her 4 children will get about $120 a month each until they turn 20. STMicro has declined Bloomberg's request for an interview. A spokesman said, The company is supporting the families of our colleagues who passed away due to COVID-19 with a comprehensive financial package, which includes a number of things which are standard across the company globally, as well as specific measures taking into account the situation of our employees in Muar, notably support for the education of the children of those families affected. But Nancy says it's too little, too late.
Ya, duit memang tidak bisa memberikan kebahagiaan, tidak bisa menghidupkan kembali suami saya. Tapi apa yang Esti bagi sekarang itu hanya macam terlalu sedikit lah.
Nancy says there are others like her who've kept quiet, but she's speaking out for her children.
Tetapi kalau mereka melihat saya down, nangis, mereka pun akan hancur. Ya, harus kuat. Ataupun berpura-pura kuat. It's okay.